Man, it's such a beautiful morning out, so I decided to go on a walk. So I get questions all the time. Should I get an FHA loan? And this is the short answer. If you qualify for an FHA loan, it's a great opportunity for you to get into your first home. Or if you're moving from one home to another and you need to get an FHA loan, maybe your credit isn't as strong as it needs to be, an FHA loan is still a possibility. So the good thing about an FHA loan is they are more lenient on credit and it's a lower down payment, obviously only 3.5%. You can also have the seller pay up to 6% of your closing costs, and that can help you get into a home with little. You can also have lower credit scores. Now, this is the big thing. You can get into FHA loans with credit scores down to 580. You'll have some lenders out there that will say, oh, you can get into FHA loan with even lower credit scores than 580, but I'm here to tell you, don't do it. If you have a score in the 500s, that means you currently have late payments. You are currently having some type of credit issue, and that is the most important thing to start getting fixed now before you ever even buy a home. You're going to pay higher closing costs. You're going to have a higher interest rate with a score in the 500s, so please don't get an FHA loan then. You really need to have credit scores above 640. You can get still a decent deal when your credit score is at like 620, but 640 and above for an FHA loan is going to be far more ideal. Sometimes that may just be getting a budget together and helping you make sure that you are paying your debts on time. When you buy a home, you want to make sure that you can afford that home. That's why I always harp on what is your monthly payment going to be. So make sure that you are able to make that monthly payment. Make sure that your credit score is above 640. And then an FHA loan is a great opportunity. Even as realtors out there, you don't need to be afraid of having your buyers get an FHA loan. I know a lot of people are always concerned about the appraisal, but on an FHA loan, they want to make sure that the property is safe, sound, and secure. Those are actually good things for buyers to get. So you want to make sure that the house is in good condition, that the windows open, that it's a secure place, that there's no broken windows, broken screens. All of those things, especially if you're a buyer's agent, those are a good thing for your buyer. So don't be afraid of an FHA loan. They are a good loan for first-time home buyers, and they are also a good loan if you are looking to move to another home but you've had credit problems. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you out, and happy house hunting.